Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing your phone and the HomePod Mini. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is unlocked and running the latest iOS so the setup flow appears. Plug the HomePod Mini into power and wait for the pulsing white light. This tells you it's ready for pairing. Once done, hold your device within about 6 feet. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. A setup card should appear automatically. Tap Continue to start the guided process. You'll now walk through the detailed configuration steps that control how the speaker behaves. Follow the on-screen prompts to assign the HomePod to a room and enable personal requests if you want messages and reminders read aloud. When asked, enable Siri and voice recognition so it distinguishes users. This improves personal responses. Make sure to enable handoff if you want seamless audio transfer from your iPhone. Finally, review HomeKit access and automation settings to integrate the speaker with other smart devices. You finish by waiting for the final sync and then testing core functions. Play music and ask Siri a simple question to confirm voice responses and network access. If the setup stalls or the HomePod remains unresponsive, first restart the HomePod by unplugging and replugging, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone and retry. If problems persist, reset the HomePod through the Home app or the physical reset sequence, then walk through pairing again, which clears most persistent glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.